Welcome to this special video commemorating Ambedkar Jayanti on April 14th. Today we reflect on the right we forgot and explore the importance of rights, duties, and responsibility. We often talk about our rights, but do we truly know who granted them to us? Let's embark on a journey to find out the answer together. We celebrate Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the man who changed India. He was a brilliant scholar, lawyer, and an unwavering fighter for equality. As the chief architect of India's constitution, he received the Bharat Ratna in 1990. Ambedkar's early life was marked by unfairness. In school, he had to sit separately, and teachers avoided touching his notebooks. He was denied access to common water pots and faced immense discrimination for his community. Despite these obstacles, he never gave up. He achieved a matriculation exam pass, graduated from Elphinstone College, and earned degrees from Columbia and the London School of Economics. In 1927, he led the Mahad Satyagraha for water rights. As the father of the Constitution, which was adopted on January 26, 1950, he wrote fundamental rights for us all. These include the right to equality, freedom of speech, right to education, freedom of religion, right against exploitation, and the right to justice. Knowing your rights is important, but do you know your duties? Rights like freedom of speech and education are balanced by duties such as respecting others, following rules, and protecting the environment. Arjun asked why Ambedkar Jayanti wasn't just another holiday. Mira reminded him that if he thought so, he didn't understand his rights. Arjun realized that freedom, equality, and education came from struggle, not easily. Ambedkar expected us to be responsible citizens. Our duties include studying sincerely, respecting everyone regardless of background, following school rules, helping our community, valuing democracy, and protecting the environment. Ambedkar's words continue to inspire. Education is the most powerful weapon to change the world. And I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Finally, life should be great rather than long. Rights grant us freedom, but duties give that freedom true meaning. This Ambedkar Jayanti, let's not just celebrate, let us follow the ideals he stood for. If you learned something today, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and comment your thoughts. Remember, you are the future of this great nation. Jai Hind, Jai India.